Welcome back to another Hill Vending blog. I'm currently outside of an account that has 4 machines total. One Vendo actually right back there in the smoker's porch where the workers can use the machines. And then I have 3 in the break room, 1 snack, 1 drink, and 1 AMS cold food machine. Now the issue is with that AMS machine, the refrigeration deck continues to ice up. So we have already replaced the main board. I should note that this machine is under warranty, and the benefit of being under warranty means that you get these parts and repair parts sent for free, and you don't have to come out $350 for a new board. So the AMS machine continues to freeze up. We've already replaced the main board. So today we're going to be replacing the drop sensor. After talking with AMS, they let me know that the drop sensor and the temperature thermostat are kind of connected, and if the drop sensor is not working properly, it can affect the temperature in the machine. So I'm going to take you guys along and show you what I'm going to do. Let's go.
So, grabbing my handy toolkit with my parts and tools that I will need for the job, and we go in the back entrance to the employee break room. And as you see, we have our drink machine, our snack machine, and our AMS machine at the end that needs repair. So to replace the drop sensors, there are actually 2 boards that you will be replacing, one on each side of the delivery bin. One is the primary or main sensor board, and the other is the secondary board. This is what one of the sensor boards looks like. Not too big, just your standard looking computer board. So as you are looking at the delivery bin, on each side is a black box, and inside the boards are housed. And as you can see, they align so they can detect product falling. I will go into greater detail about how exactly the sensors work in another video. But when you're ready to replace the sensors, first you want to cut the power to your machine. Then you unscrew this 1 screw and the black housing slides out. And as you can see in this picture, the board just pops out, and then you unplug the harnesses and insert your new board and attach the harnesses back. Slide your black housing back into place and tighten the screw. You do that for both sides, and when you are done, you reach down and turn on your machine. Then you need to test the sensor to make sure they are working. I'm going to select 33 since it's empty, and it should turn a full rotation, then a quarter turn, and if nothing breaks the drop sensor at the bottom, it will ask to make another selection. And that means the sensors are working, and you can test a few different times to make sure, but you should be all set. Okay, so there you have it. AMS 2 drop sensors were replaced and tested, and everything seems to be working good. Come back tomorrow and make sure everything's fine, but that's how you replace a couple drop sensors. Until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.